lead the cursor in the direction you want to go and type in 1.5 to get this line. Hit escape, go back to the line, and go to this point and lead it in the direction you want to go and type in 0.25, lead it in the direction, go 0.75, up 0.5, back 0.75, and up 0.5. That'll give you this. Come over to here, and what I did, just what you want to do, right click, grid settings, just go to object snap, select all, hit OK, and go to your line command, find the midpoint, and draw a line straight up from the midpoint. And the length of that is going to be 2. So once you have that 2, the flat part at the top is going to be 1. You're going to draw one line at a 1/2 inch, another line at a 1/2 inch, and then all you'll have left to do is connect those 2 points and these 2 points to the end that you've already created. Okay? Now for the circle, you're going to use an offset command of 1. So you would go here, type in 1, select this line, and move it over to here. And then you could also choose the bottom line and offset it up 1 and have a crosshair, and then